Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix total identified Windows installations 0 in MBR or BIOS solved. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR or BIOS. Type select disk 0. Type list volume. Volume 1 is system volume. Volume 2 is Windows installed volume. Type C:\colon. Type CD space, boot. Type attrib space, -H space, -R space, -S space, BCD. Type ren space, BCD space, BCD27.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.